This is the Insta360 X3, and in this video we're going to check out one of the coolest effects in ShotLab, the Sky Swap. With the Sky Swap effect, you can take a clip that looks like this and make it look like this. And it's all done on your phone inside the Insta360 app. So to get the shot, extend the Invisible Selfie Stick and walk along like this in a location where there's plenty of sky in the shot. And jumping into the Insta360 app, first of all select the clip that you want to use and trim it down to the section that you'd like to use for the effect. Again, make sure there's plenty of sky in the shot. Now we're going to tap Stories, that'll take us into ShotLab, and we're going to choose Sky Swap. Tap that and then tap Use this theme. Then select the clip, trim it to the part where you want the Sky Swap effect and click Next. Next we're going to click Custom because we need to set the playback angle. We just do that with our fingers on the screen like this. Okay, that looks great. And now we can select from one of these skies along the bottom here. Let's select this Galaxy 2 sky. So that'll just download that quickly. And then it'll give you a preview. When you want to export it, go to the export symbol in the top right, tap on Phone Album and hit Export. Now because it's Insta360 and everything's non-destructive, we can go back and choose a different sky. Let's choose this one that looks like the unboxed background. Okay, now we can even change the aspect ratio by tapping here. We're on 16:9 at the moment. If we tap, we go to 9:16. Tap again and we go to square. And tap again, we're back to 16:9. So if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.